Today, more than half of society's married couples divorce, and if there's a child in the picture, some sort of custody battle ensues. But a recent email from a viewer got us thinking, what laws are in place if a registered sex offender wants custody of his child? Lawyers we spoke to say while the situation depends on the offense, the offender could still be allowed custody. Can they have custody of the child?
Yes.
Is there certain conditions? Is there somewhere where it draws the line?
Well, actually, yes. If the person's a registered sex offender because they were sexually abusing that child, then the family code indicates that they can't be named a joint managing conservator. And it's also something that I'm sure the judge would take into consideration when deciding if he were going to place a child into custody.
Another question we asked was what would happen to the child if both parents had a questionable background. Local attorney James Abbott says the judge always tries to place the child in possession of the parents unless he sees them unfit to do the job.
You know, the judge may decide, look, I don't want to place the child with either of these parents. And in that case, he could call CPS in to help decide where this child should be placed.
Family Support Services says if the child is young, the child may not know of the parents' past and it may not affect them immediately. But as they get older, FSS crisis specialists say it could affect their mental health in the future.
The message that sends to that child is that their boundaries don't matter, and that sets them up for a lifetime of self-esteem issues, low self-esteem.